Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, and it's a beautiful sunny day. I woke up at 10:30, Chris woke up at 8:30 and went for a hike in the mountains over there. Came back at like 11:30, drenched in sweat, feeling a bit sunstroked, bless him. But he got some very good Insta shots, so I think that's all he cares about. So the plans for today is to head down to the beach. I believe that's the plan at least. So lighting. We're just getting ready to do that. Actually, I need to check if this is the right towel. Oops. Chris, this the right towel?
Yes, it is.
Are you looking where you went for a walk?
Yeah.
He's calculating how far he walked.
3.3 miles.
And back.
Yes, it's 6.6 miles in total.
Oh my goodness, Chris Ward. He's all sweaty. Now we're going to go swimming in the sea to cool you off.
Possibly paddleboarding.
Possibly paddleboarding, we're not sure. If we don't go paddleboarding today, we'll probably go another day.
You don't have to go if you don't want to.
I want to do it, I just don't know if I want to do it today. Right. Heading to the beach now. I have no idea what time it is. What time is it?
1.
What's the time?
1 o'clock.
It's 5 to 1. So we've left super late, so we don't think we're going to get sunbed. Making our way downtown.
Ah, the Cheetos.
The Cheetos! Guys.
Sorry.
Lily will look after the Cheetos. Heading down to the beach. It's going to be super chill. It's so warm. It's like nearly 30 degrees today. So I'm super excited to get in the ocean and not be hot. I also have my book.
Yeah.
So, beach situation. None of the umbrellas and sunchairs were available, which means not only do we not have any shade, we also don't have safe, which is actually fine. You know, it's not exactly a crime high area, it's mainly old, retired tourists, so, and then families with young children, so not that concerned about being robbed. But slightly concerned about the lack of shade, but to be honest, I think we'll be okay. I think we'll go. We're still in the sea. Me and Chris got out. You having the Cheetos? Yeah, look how good it is. I literally can't see anything from the camera right now because of the sun. I'm assuming you can see how pretty it is.
Go get some food.
Get to making with.
by a jellyfish?
Yeah.
Look at that! I know, baby. Do you want to show them your injuries? I don't know how the camera's picking it up. I think Chris has just been stung by a jellyfish. It looks so bad!
It really hurts. It really hurts.
Like, there are jellyfish in this sea and they do come relatively close to the shore.
To be fair, it wasn't giant. I was trying to swim into to get like shots of some fish.
Yeah. That's so... I don't know how well it's picking up on camera because I can't see the screen, but like, it's like... It looks like... Oh my god! It looks like something's like wrapped itself around his arm slightly, and it's like... You know when you get a bite and it like swells up, it like rises from your skin and is slightly whiter? It's done that in like a zigzag pattern on his arm. It's scary, man. So we just got out of the sea. We got out, read a bit, chilled a bit, then got back in, and now that's happened. My poor baby. I don't know what to do about it either.
I'm not gonna be.
I don't know if peeing on it works. I swear that's just like a myth or something. Come back to the villa. Basically, we googled what we should do. Most of the jellyfish in Mallorca are completely harmless, and the ones that are dangerous are really rare and like unusual. Oh my goodness, look at that smudge. But they basically say get fresh water and hold it on it for 15 minutes. But don't pour fresh water on it. Apparently fresh water makes it worse. It just says hold like an ice cube or something cold over it for 15 minutes. So you gotta hold it there for 15. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Stop taking it off. Hold it there. Okay.
Just did 3 lengths.
Huh?
Just did 3 lengths.
Did you really? You're so fast. Right. You ready?
Yep.
Go. All of them? Hey! So it's a bit later. Chris's jellyfish wound seems to have healed because he's in the pool and isn't complaining about his arm, so... Some more! Yeah, we've been back for a couple of hours. I finished my book. Started the sequel. I'm very excited about it. Hey! And I'm sunburnt on my shoulders. Even though I specifically applied Factor 50 to it. Like, every time I got out of the water I reapplied it. Still got burnt. It's just my life. It's a bit later. I've had another shower and washed my hair. I never wash my hair as often as I do when I'm on holiday, because it's like seawater and chlorine. Gotta wash it out. Gotta get rid of it. My mum and dad are going out tonight with some people that we know who also happen to be in the same area. They're going out for dinner. So me, Lily, her boyfriend, Chris, are staying in, having pizza. And pasta, I think, as well. An Italian cuisine.
Yeah, I was going to make my own sauce, but your mum was pretty keen on me to use a jar.
Oh yeah, she did buy the jar.
So I think we should use a jar.
Yeah.
I'll use that one.
Oh. Okay. Super hot. I'm sunburnt down my back and a little bit on my face. But all's well. Chef Chris. Proud of his work. Dripping cheese on himself.
It's pasta and tomato sauce.
It's still delicious, shut up. Why are you filming me for?
Yeah, a little bit. Improvise.
That's not how this works. I film you and then I hold the camera and film myself. You don't film me unless I specifically request. Oh my god, look how pink my face is on camera. I got very sunburnt. Oh, well. So we're about to play a game called Double, which is basically like a sophisticated snap. So that's going to be us set for the evening, isn't it? Parents have gone out. Kids are going wild. It's very exciting. Oh hey. We've come inside now. We've played some cards, we played some Disney Top Trumps, which I lost terribly at. And we played a game of Gin Rummy, which I lost very badly at because I had like all of the cards I needed at the very beginning and I watched the one card that I needed go to the bottom of the pile. It was very sad. I'm gonna edit tonight's vlog tonight because I've been trying to edit the vlog in the night of. Since we arrived, but we've always gone to bed too late. So I'm gonna edit the vlog tonight so that I actually don't have to get up and edit the vlog first thing in the morning. And yeah, we're not gonna do anything, we're just gonna chill watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine and go to bed. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do you want to say bye, Bubba? Bye. Bye bye.